Welcome back to Fast Fix. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete YouTube videos. It's simple and easy, so let's get into it. So tap the library button at the bottom right corner, and then right over here, you can see here your videos option. So you just tap this one, and then you can see all the videos that you uploaded on your channel. So what are you going to do to delete YouTube videos? So choose the video that you want to delete, and then tap on the three dots at the top right corner, as you can see right here, and then tap on delete right here at the bottom. And then another one option right here, delete this video, cancel or delete, you just tap on delete. So that's how you basically delete YouTube videos on your YouTube application. So that's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you on the next video.